Alright, hey guys, here's another aderonn Airsoft review. This is the review of my Walmart spring shotgun, originally clear, but I gave it a custom paint job. Links here to the first video of that little 3-part series. Sorry it took me so long to get up this shooting test. I waited for my NC Star red dot sight. I had to wait for that to come in so I could give you a more accurate review of the shooting performance, because this gun does not have sights. So this will be better than what you can shoot probably with just the gun, because I do have a red dot sight. I did zero it in. It took me a while to get it perfectly zeroed in, but it is as good as it's gonna get, and it shoots pretty good. I can hit a tree at about 150 feet away, maybe 3 foot wide tree. So let's get started. We're going to do a 50-foot test on a box about 10 inches by 10 inches with some paper on it, see how it performs then, and then we're going to do a can test for at about 15 feet to see the penetration. So here we go. Here's the box and the accuracy test. Alright, so here's the accuracy test. Let me get to my position and then we will start. We'll do about 20 rounds or so, 15 to 20 rounds at that box. Alright, so see it. Alright, so we are out of shots. The accuracy wasn't that great because I had my red dot sighted in for a longer range, but I just had to adjust my aim, and that was about it. Accuracy is alright from 50 feet. You're definitely going to hit the person. So yeah, now the can test. Alright, so here's the can test from about 10 to 15 feet. So here we go. Alright, so that was it. We hit the can several times. It's some decent penetration. Let me go spin the thing around for you so you can get a full view. Alright, now I'm going to do an up-close shot to give you an estimate at how hard it's shooting, to see from point blank how much it penetrates the can. Right, so sorry about that first shot, I forgot. When you do shoot, you have to, let me give you an example. When you're shooting your last 5 shots or so, you have to actually tilt the gun. You pump it, and then you have to tilt it upside down, and then rack it again to get the BB to actually fall in the chamber, because the spring doesn't go up far enough to actually push the BB in. So for the last 5 shots or so, you have to do it upside down. But that's about it. And on the penetration test, I'd say that's about 320 feet per second, possibly. That's just my estimate, because it went through one side easily and then almost made it through the other side. It made a huge hole, but didn't quite get through. So that's the shooting test for the Walmart shotgun. Hope you enjoyed it. Here's a link to the review. There was also a link in the beginning. So thanks, and see ya. If you have any comments or questions, just message me or leave a comment. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. See ya.